Next one, nucleus. Look at here. This is the nucleus. This is the fungi cell nucleus. This is the cell wall. This is cell membrane. Cell membrane or plasma membrane, both are same. Next, this is the nucleus containing DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids. Next, this is cytoplasm. I explained one by one. Okay, I explained one by one. Look at here, don't confuse. This is the oil droplets. Next, this is the vacuole. This is glycogen granules. Okay, what is the nucleus? Fungal cells contain a membrane-bound nucleus where the DNA is wrapped around histone proteins. Okay, DNA, this is called DNA. Look at here. This is the DNA. This DNA surrounded, wrapped around, surrounded by histone proteins. What is the histone proteins? Main function of histone protein. Okay, I explained it. Filamentous fungi are characterized by a single H1 protein. H1 proteins means histone proteins. Histone proteins are H1 proteins, both are same. Don't confuse with the tripartite structural organization typical for linker histones of multicellular eukaryotes. A winged helix motif flanked by a less structured N-terminal and C-terminal domain. Okay, N-terminal and C-terminal both are inserted in a H1 proteins. Okay, one enzyme also is there that is called lysine. Lysine is the rich C-terminal domain. Okay, next one. Fungi are eukaryotes and have a complex cellular organization. As eukaryotes, fungal cells contain a membrane-bound nucleus. This is called membrane-bound nucleus, where the DNA is wrapped around histone proteins. A few types of fungi have structures comparable to bacterial plasmids. Okay. Next, fungal cells also contain mitochondria. Next, Golgi granules. Next, vacuoles. These are organelles present in nuclei. Okay, this is the nucleus. Next one, nucleus, it's done. Next one is cytoplasm. Okay, next one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substances where various cellular components live and function. What is meant by various cellular components? Already you know cellular components, that is called plasma membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. Next, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi apparatus. These are organelles present in cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm look like a jelly-like substances. These cellular components present in cytoplasm. Okay. The nucleus contains the cell's genetic material. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure, gel-like substances where various cellular components substances live and function. The substances where various cellular components live and function. The mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, generate of the energy, producing of energy, that is called in cytoplasm. Okay, this is the cytoplasm main function. Next, Next one is cytoplasm, it's done. Next one is storage granules. Next one is storage granule. I show it storage granules. Okay. Look at here. This is the storage granules. This is the storage granules. Look at here. Can see, observe only in microscope. This is the granules. These granules are the part of the cell that stores the cell's energy reserves as well as other important metabolites. Okay. This is the granules. Look at here. This is called storage granules. These storage granules in present in proteases, lipases, and amylases, nucleases. These are enzymes present in storage granules. Okay. Next, this is the clusters are known as proteosomes storage granules. Okay. PSGS means proteosome storage granules. These granules present in fungi cell. In fungi, mutations or conditions inside the cells that make it difficult for proteosome storage granules to assemble cause proteosomes to instead be broken down in the vacuole when carbon availability is low. Okay, that is very, very important. This is the storage granules. These storage granules you can observe in only microscope. Okay, this is the main function of storage granules. Cells energy producing of energy and important of metabolites. Next, storage granules in present in proteoses, proteases, lipases, amylases, nucleases. These are enzymes. This is the hydrolytic enzymes. These hydrolytic enzymes present in storage granules. Okay. This is the storage granules. It's done. Next one is lipid granule. Look at here. This is the lipid granules. These lipid granules also you can observe in only microscope. Look at here. This is the lipid granules. Lipids occurs in fungi as major constituents of the membrane systems and minor component in the cell wall. Major components and minor components both are present in cell wall. Okay, look at here. This is the lipid granules. Lipids occur in fungi as major constituents of membrane system and minor components in the cell wall. They can store energy in the lipid bodies and in some cases they can act as intra-extra cellular signals. Okay, both intra-extracellular signals passed into the cell wall. Okay, that is called lipid granules. Next, they can store energy in the lipid bodies and in some cases they can act as intra-extracellular signals. This is very, very important point. Okay, next one.